Okay, here we are at day one of this project. We got plastic down on the whole carpet. Everything's completely protected. Ram board down on the bathroom floor, and this project can consist of the shower's going to get redone. So everything is coming out in the shower from the ceiling down to the floor. Completely new, everything waterproofed. So we're going to start demoing this out and go from there. Okay, here we are. Got the shower demoed. Glued the cement board to the studs, which is something that you don't really have to do. It was a nightmare demoing. But just to show you guys how cement board gets wet and stays wet, because it's right over the liner there, and it wicks the water right up. This shower hasn't been used now in a few days, so it's had a little bit of time to dry, but you can see the cement board here, how much the water came up. It just wicks it right up. So I don't know if we have a pre-slope here yet, but we'll soon find out. Shower's about 20 years old. Customer says hasn't been any leaks, but definitely a little bit of mold. So we'll see. Okay, here we are. They only use 2x3s for the curb here. They had a 5-inch marble threshold on top. Usually we use a 6-inch nowadays. It puts screws, as you can see, right through the pan liner. So I don't know if this curb is going to be shot or not. Probably have to take it out. 2x3s here. No free slope either. You see down there, it's just plywood. Over here, just plywood there. A little tip for you guys: when you're putting your sluted drain in, I like using a 4.5-inch hole saw, and when I'm putting down my plywood, what I do is I put a plug in the drain and measure to that wing that's coming out, exact center of that drain. Measure over this way, measure that way, and write the measurements on the wall. Then fasten the subfloor, get a decent amount in there, and then start drilling it out to make sure exact center. Then once you are, keep fastening everything down, you're good to go. If you're off a little bit, you're going to take a jigsaw and trim it up a little bit to make sure everything fits center. Now that I'm on there, pretty much exact center there. I got an old drain here just to check it. Might have to trim it a little bit, but looks like we're pretty freaking good there. Okay, this is how you properly fasten the subfloor. This will be considered underlayment. First layer is subfloor, second layer, anything after that is underlayment. So I got 5/8 down here. And I got a screw down with 1.25" screws that's only going to penetrate into the subfloor, not the joists. So they're separated from each other. You want to screw it down real good like I got here. You don't want just one every 12 inches. You want one every few inches, 6 inches or so. That's what you want. You want this thing solid.